Hey guys, it is me, Kennedy. I'm about ignore this part of the video. So I'm going to be doing something weird. So let's do this. That was the weirdest part. By the way, there's a TV behind the camera, so that's where the sound came from. Oh, dang it!
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley!
Snape,
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley!
Snape,
Ron!
Snape,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Ron!
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Severus Snape. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Severus Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Severus Snape. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Thank you for watching. Now go subscribe and like this video and comment now.